How do you ship on eBay? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Shipping on eBay is a straightforward and can be done in a few steps. Here's how you can ship an item after it sells. First, prepare for shipping. Ensure the item is ready to ship. Weigh and measure the package. Now, select a shipping option. When you list your item, you can choose the shipping method. For example, flat rate shipping, where you set a fixed shipping cost. Next, calculated shipping. eBay calculates shipping cost based on the buyer's location and package details. Next, free shipping. You observe the shipping cost may improve buyer interest. Once you have selected the shipping option, move forward to the print a shipping label. After your item sells, go to My eBay dropdown and then tap on Selling and then on Orders. Find the item you sold and tap on the Print Shipping Label option. Enter package weight, dimensions, and choose a shipping service, example USPS, UPS, or FedEx. Confirm and purchase the label. eBay often offers discounted rates for sellers. Now, print the label and affix it to the package. Move forward with the process and ship the package. Drop off the package at the courier's location or schedule a pickup if the courier offers this service. You can also add tracking information. If you use eBay's shipping label, tracking is automatically added to the order. If you ship independently, upload the tracking number to order. Now, communicate with the buyer. Send a message to the buyer letting them know that the package has been shipped. Tracking updates are sent to the buyer automatically if you have entered tracking details. So, this is how you can ship on eBay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.